Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that will revolutionize your driving experience. On the left side, we have the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit, and on the right side, we have the GMAPOP Dash Cam. Let's get ready to roll. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at a budget-friendly $29, while the GMAPOP Dash Cam takes a bit of a leap at $99.
So if you're looking for a more affordable option, the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit might be the way to go.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit boasts an upgraded USB-C power supply, which ensures a stable use process and prevents issues like restarting or high-temperature deformation. It also provides 24 hours of surveillance, even when your car is turned off. Plus, it has wide compatibility with most car models.
On the other side, we have the GMAPOP Dash Cam, which offers a real 4K plus 1080p dual camera setup.
With its wide-angle lenses, it captures key details like road signs and vehicle plates.
It also has Wi-Fi and phone app control, allowing you to access and share your footage directly from your smartphone. And let's not forget the crystal clear night vision and accident lock feature for vital evidence. So if you're looking for advanced features and top-notch video quality, the GMAPOP Dash Cam might be your best bet.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit offers easy installation with its simple hidden wiring, keeping your car neat and tidy. It also frees up your cigarette lighter for connecting more devices. Just make sure to read the quick guide carefully before use. As for the GMAPOP Dash Cam, it provides two installation options. You can either install it on the front windshield to record the inside of your car, or on the rear windshield to monitor the backside. So if you prefer flexibility in installation, the GMAPOP Dash Cam might be the one for you. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit for its easy installation, ample wire length, and compatibility with most car models.
Reviewers also appreciate the stable power supply and 24-hour surveillance feature. On the other hand, the GMAPOP Dash Cam has been praised for its advanced features, including the real 4K plus 1080p, dual camera setup, Wi-Fi and phone app control, and crystal clear night vision.
Customers have found the GMAPOP Dash Cam to be a cost-effective option with excellent image and sound quality.
Alright folks, it's time to wrap up this showdown.
Both the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the GMAPOP Dash Cam have their own unique features and advantages. If you're on a tight budget and looking for a reliable option, the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is a great choice.
But if you want top-notch video quality advanced features and don't mind spending a bit more, the GMAPOP Dash Cam won't disappoint.
Remember, always consider your needs and preferences before making a purchase. That's all for today's comparison. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest product showdowns. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.